Hi students, this is Srinivas and you are watching KB Television. Welcome to E-Classes. ఇంటర్ ఫిజిక్స్ సబ్జెక్ట్లో గట్టెక్కడం అంటే విద్యార్థులకు టెన్షన్తో కూడుకున్న పని. మరి ఐఐటి, ఏఐఈఈ లాంటి తీవ్ర పోటీ కలిగిన పరీక్షలకు సిద్ధమయ్యే వారి సంగతి సరే. ఇలాంటి వారికి లోతైన పరిజ్ఞానంతో ఫిజిక్స్ బోధించేవారు అరుదుగా లభిస్తారు. సరిగ్గా ఇలాంటి వారితోనే కేఏబి ఈ క్లాసెస్ నిర్వహిస్తోంది. ముఖ్యంగా ఐఐటికి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వారి సౌలభ్యం కోసం అదే స్థాయిలో ఫిజిక్స్ క్లాస్ నిర్వహిస్తోంది కేఏబి టెలివిజన్. ఐఐటి ఓరియంటెడ్గా సాగనున్న ఈనాటి క్లాస్ను డాక్టర్ శ్రీనివాసాచారి బోధించబోతున్నారు. ఫిజిక్స్ బోధనలో అపార అనుభవం ఉన్న డాక్టర్ శ్రీనివాసాచారి గారిచే అత్యంత కీలకమైన జామెట్రికల్ ఆప్టిక్స్ చాప్టర్పై ఇవాళ క్లాస్ కొనసాగుతుంది. డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నిన్నటి ఎపిసోడ్లో జామెట్రికల్ ఆప్టిక్స్ చాప్టర్ నుంచి రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఆన్ స్పెరికల్ మిర్రర్లోని కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. మరి ఈనాటి ఎపిసోడ్లో ఇదే టాపిక్కు సంబంధించిన యువి గ్రాఫ్స్తో పాటు మరికొన్ని అంశాల గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం.
We consider the case UV graphs. In the case of spherical mirrors. What are UV graphs? Object image distance graphs. In the case of concave mirror, 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F, and 1 by U plus 1 by minus V is equal to 1 by F. This is for concave mirror. Real object, real image case. How we can say real object, real image case? Object distance is positive, image distance also is positive. Therefore, real object and real image distance concave mirror, because focal length is positive. Whereas in this case, object is real and image is virtual image case. Concave mirror, real object, real image equation, real object, virtual image equation. Next one is convex mirror case. Since mirror is convex, focal length is negative, and 1 by U plus 1 by minus V is 1 by minus F. This is a real object, virtual image. Always real object produces virtual image in the case of convex mirror. We can also write minus 1 by U, virtual object, can produce real image, that is virtual object, real image, possible real images. Similarly, virtual object, with virtual object we can get virtual image also. For a convex mirror, virtual object can produce virtual image, that is virtual object, virtual image. Like this, these are the equations corresponding to various kinds of objects and images in the case of convex and concave mirrors. Now, how to plot the graphs between variation of U and V, graphs of variation of U and V. First case, we consider the case of concave mirror. Concave mirror, real object, real image distance, we are going to plot. 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. It is concave mirror, real object, real image distance. 1 by V is equal to minus of 1 by U plus 1 by F. So this is the equation, plot of 1 by u versus 1 by v. What is the standard form? Y is equal to mx plus c form. Standard form when we compare the standard equation, in place of x we have 1 by u, in place of y we have 1 by v, in place of c we have 1 by f. Therefore, this is the equation of a linear graph with the slope, negative slope and positive intercept, positive y-axis intercept. Therefore, the intercept here is 1 by f. 1 by f intercept, and with negative slope here, negative slope of 1. One slope means this is going to be making an angle 45 degree. So, this is 45 degree and it intercepts the x-axis 1 by u axis at 1 by f. So, therefore, this is the graph corresponding to 1 by u and 1 by v. Variation of 1 by u, reciprocal of object distance with reciprocal of image distance. Variation in the case of concave mirror for real image, for real object, the graph is like this. Now, in case if we consider u is equal to v graph, if you draw a line u is equal to v line, this is u is equal to v line straight line, it intercepts the graph at what points it will be intercepting. This is 45 degree. So, therefore, what is the distance here? 2 by f. Therefore, this is 2 by f comma 2 by f, where it intercepts UV line. So, based on this, sometimes they may give you not mentioning about what is the nature of the mirror, what is its focal length or radius of curvature. They may simply give you 1 by u versus 1 by v graph. They may say this line, just like this, they may give this line. They may give this line making an angle 45 degree. And on this, and you must be able to use this idea to determine the focal length. So, what we know, once we remember this, we can identify the point where it is intercepting as 1 by f. From there you can calculate the focal length of the mirror. Since UV graph of a mirror, the positive, both u and v are positive, therefore it is concave mirror. Now, instead of that, sometimes they may ask you to plot the graph between u and v. For that, what we can write, 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u, v is equal to uf by